Log in to your Rcbc account and then go to Transfer Funds tab. Select account source and account destination. And then find the My Wallet under the drop-down list. Fill up all account information and input the amount. Choose InstaPay for real-time transfer. Free for InstaPay fund transfer for transactions worth 1,000 pesos and below. This promo will last until June 20, 2024. Select Next and check if details are correct, then click Proceed. Enter OTP confirmation. You will be notified if transaction is successful.